Hello and welcome back to the training. So in this video, we will be creating yet another 10 links. We'll start with the URL slides. I'll walk through each and every domain. If there's anything special that you have to do, I'll let you know. We'll also look at the Moz metrics so you can get an idea of the overall authority of the site, at least according to Moz. So I'll give you a few moments to look at the URL slides, starting with this one, ending with this one. And let's go ahead and move in. So this is on rpg.com. It's a DA59. What you will be doing here is going in here and creating your player. This is being blocked for some reason, but it's right within here. If you take away this, you can see it up here. I thought maybe it would scroll down. You can go to forum as well, but you need to register and sign up for an account. All right, so make sure you take that into consideration. You can go to register here. Okay, moving on to forum.hostsearch.com. So this is where you will register. It's a DA47. All right, and that's where you register. It's a forum, so you could get a signature, but I think that there's a limit. It's been a while since I made this one. It's towards the end of the list, so these are older ones. Warrior Forum, you get a profile. You do get a after you sign up, you get to put in your website. Next is armorgames.com. Now on this site, looks like it's been changed. Let me just take a look here. There it is, create your account. So click on create your account, go through the process, verification. Long story short there. So I don't see anything coming up as far as the bar is concerned, but it is a DA85 as you can see. It's not giving me any other details other than DA85. All right, so let me get that back here. All right, moving to dead.net. So the Grateful Dead, excellent band. You can actually sign up for an account here and give them your address. So this is exactly what it looks like. If you take a look, pretty cool little design here. This is iconic, so I think maybe I'm drawn to that. But moving on, this is magcloud.com. DA80, 3% spam score. So pretty good looking link. You can sign up right here. You will need to verify. Moving into the next, which is 8tracks.com. You can sign up. I'm not sure where that went. You can actually sign up. There's a button up here. I believe you just saw it. It's a DA76. There it is. Sign up right here. So you can sign up, and then you can create these little memories just like this. So let's move on to the next, which is Pearl Trees. Very old, been around for a long time type of site. You can go ahead and join, and you can create these pearl trees. All right, but you also get a account. All right, so profile. Moving to the next, which is frontiersin.org. So within this, you will need to register and verify. As far as domain metrics, it is a DA90. What you'll be creating is something along these lines. Let's find it. Journals. So this is what you get to create, a little journal. All right, so pretty neat, not too shabby of a link. DA90, something light. Moving in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be the last one for this batch of 10. This is visually. What you'll want to do is go ahead and get a quote, I believe, but you have to sign up. There is a sign up on here. So once you go ahead and sign up, you will then be able to let's go to login. I want to make sure I accept. There you go. You can create an account here. All right, so this is visually. All right, so that's going to wrap it up for these 10, and I look forward to seeing you in the next training. I'll see you then.